Welcome to the Southern Flavor Kitchen, where everything we cook is full of flavor, baby. So today's video will be a no-bake eggnog pie, and here are all the ingredients we'll be using. We have ground cinnamon, ground nutmeg, instant pudding mix, 1 pie crust, Cool Whip, and eggnog. If you'd like to see this full video, please stay tuned. Don't forget to like and comment on this video. Also, hype this video up. Hype me up. If you're new to the channel and seeing this for the first time, please subscribe to the channel. Once you do so, click the bell, set post notifications to all. That way you'll be notified when I upload a video. Let's get into our no-bake eggnog pie. Alright, my flavor squad. So, we got another eggnog recipe. And this one's going to be quick, easy, and simple and straight to the point. You can make it with the kids. It's a no-bake eggnog pie. And you don't even need that many ingredients. 6 ingredients. That's it. Okay. And before we jump into this eggnog pie recipe, I just want to encourage someone out there, you know. And I'm going to begin by saying, hurt people hurt people. If y'all know what I mean. People that's hurt always love to hurt people because that's the only thing they know. And it makes them feel good. And they think it's cool to hurt people because they are hurt. And I just want to say, don't allow no one to hurt you. No matter who they are. I don't care if they're your mama, your daddy, your brother, your sister, your cousin, your auntie, your uncle, your significant other, whoever they may be. Don't allow them to hurt you. Because once a person knows they can hurt you, guess what they continue to do? They're going to continue to hurt you because you allow them to do that. So no matter what someone may say to you, treat it with a grain of salt. What someone say about you doesn't define you. What someone say about you doesn't make it true. At the end of the day, long as you know who you are, that's the only thing that matters. Seriously, that's the only thing that matters. Like, all jokes aside, you know, that negativity, negative energy, negative vibes. Listen, it's about to be a new year. Get that stuff around you. Don't bring that old stuff into the new year. Even if you hurt and you don't hurt people, do your best to overcome that hurt. Search deep down inside and say, hey, whatever your name is. I'm just going to say Jordan. Hey, Jordan, why you hurt? Hey Jordan, why you going through it? Hey Jordan, what's the root of the problem? And a lot of times we don't find out what it is because we don't get to the root of it. And I'm just being real and honest. Even if you can't figure it out, get on your knees and pray, cry out. Do whatever you need to do to heal. We all know self-healing is a process. And it takes time. But the end result is what matters the most. Once again, don't allow no hurt person to hurt you. Always remain focused, positive. Even if you feel like you're not positive or focused, always reassure yourself that no matter what I go through, no matter what they do to me, no matter what they say, no matter if I don't feel good, no matter if I'm struggling, no matter if I can't push through today, just know everything is going to be okay. It's gonna be okay. Trust me. And trust the process. Keep your faith. Hold on. Stand strong and keep your head up. Please do it for me. And to anyone that may want to say negative stuff to people, do bad things to people, always remember, what goes around comes around. It may not get you today, but it's eventually going to catch up with you. That's all I want to say. Y'all stay encouraged. Y'all stay in your faith. Stay positive. Stay motivated. And take it one day at a time. Alright, so we're going to jump into our no-bake eggnog pie. We have our eggnog. We have instant pudding mix. That is a 3.4 ounce box. And you can use whatever pudding mix you want to. I have cheesecake. You can do vanilla. Heck, you can do chocolate. Whatever you want to do is yours. Make it your own. And we have cinnamon and nutmeg. This what's going to be what we're going to start off with. Then once we get this mixed up, we're going to fold in our whipped cream. Then we're going to put it in our pie crust. And I have a 9-inch graham cracker pie crust that's ready to go. Then we're going to refrigerate it for 4 to 6 hours or overnight, however long you want to do it. Then we're going to cut into it and try it out. So let's get going. Alright, so that's our pudding mix. We're going to go in with 1 3/4 cups of our eggnog. That's our 3/4 cup. Alright, so we're going to give it some mix. Got my little handy dandy mixer right here. And as y'all can see, it's thick already. But we're gonna go in with some nutmeg and ground cinnamon. We're gonna go in with 1/8 of a teaspoon of each. So we have our pudding mix and our eggnog mixed with our spices. I'm gonna get everything situated here, then we'll move on to the next step, so y'all stay tuned. Alright, my flavor squad, so we gonna keep this train chugging along the track. So we have 1/8 ounce of extra creamy Cool Whip. So we're gonna fold this into our eggnog pudding mixture. And we're gonna use the whole thing. So we want to fold this in. So we're just gonna spread this all over the place. Fold it in. You don't want to stir it in, you want to fold it in. Alright, so we got everything folded in. We're going to move on to the next step. Alright, so we back. We have our 9-inch graham cracker crust. And we have our eggnog pie mixture. We're just going to put this into the crust. And then we'll refrigerate it for 4 hours.
Just like a tattoo, I'll always have you. My visions fade away. Can't think with my head, my gut won't let me change. Try to deny, but you beg me to take.
And that's how we had left right there. So if y'all want to do a 10-inch pie crust, it'll work. You have enough.
I'll take the risk like I'm bulletproof. Always on my heart like a tattoo. A part of every little thing.
Alright, so we're going to put the top on it and put it in the refrigerator for 4 to 6 hours.
I let you get up under my skin. I wanna let the ink dry, but wanna try till it's right. Here we go again. If I am love and love is I need you more than I would admit. Please be kind to me, baby. Like a weapon, you slay me forever. Connected like a tattoo. Just like a tattoo. I'll always have you. Ooh, love's a tattoo. Ooh, just like a tattoo. I'll always have you.
Yeah. Me and my guys, we dey celebrate. See party poly make we elevate. See bad vibes, no fit tolerate. Wait, say we go kill am. Say shy up in the circulate. Say give me, I'ma give me Kate. See bad vibes, we no tolerate. Wait, say we go kill am. I'ma me soke, go be me see me, achukureke, obi male mama, be me soke, go be me see me, achukureke, obi male mama, be me soke, go be me see me, achukureke, obi male mama, be me soke, go be me see me, achukureke, yeah. Me and my guys we dey celebrate, see party poly make we elevate, see bad vibes no fit tolerate, wait, say we go.
Alright, my Flavor Squad, so we're going to get to the favorite part of the video. Queen going to taste it and give y'all her honest opinion. As always, you ready, baby? Okay. Let's get it, let's go.
See party poly make we elevate. See bad vibes, no fit tolerate. Wait, say we go kill am. Say shy up in the circulate. Say give me, I'ma give me Kate. See bad vibes, we no tolerate. Wait, say we go kill am.
Come on now. Don't make me have to be alive.
Oh. Yeah, she didn't want to give y'all the first bite, but go ahead.
I'm hungry.
What that spoon doing?
So I don't know if I'm just hungry, but it's so good. Yeah, I know I love eggnog. I know I love pies. I know I love all that. What you dusted this with? Nutmeg.
Cinnamon.
That's good.
With whipped cream on top.
That's so good. Yeah, this is
out of all the eggnog desserts. So we did the eggnog banana pudding, the eggnog pound cake. We did the eggnog bread pudding and the no-bake eggnog pie. So we did 4 different desserts with the eggnog. Can you rank those 1 to 4?
My all-time favorite is the banana pudding because I love banana pudding.
Okay.
My second one is this one.
Okay.
The third one is the pound cake, and the last one is the bread pudding.
Okay.
And the only reason I said the other 2 last because I love pound cake and I love bread pudding. But I love pound cake more than I love bread pudding.
Okay.
But as far as like taste wise, my top two is definitely the banana pudding and this one. But you can't go wrong with neither one of them. Ooh, this. And when I say it's creamy, it just melt right in your mouth.
Alright, so y'all heard her thoughts. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like and comment on this video. Also hype this video up. Y'all already know the saying, we out from the Southern Flavor Kitchen, where everything we cook is full of flavor, baby. Pops and Queen, we out. Peace.
Hi, y'all.